Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to maintain consistency in posting on Instagram. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. To maintain consistency on Instagram, it is helpful to have a bank of photos ready to post. Set aside time to take multiple photos in one session. This can be various subjects relevant to your Instagram content. It is easy to forget to post regularly on Instagram. To avoid this, set a reminder on your phone or use a reminder application to prompt you to post your photos at regular intervals. This ensures you stay consistent with your posting schedule. Editing your photos in a consistent style enhances the overall look of your Instagram feed. Use Adobe Lightroom or a similar photo editing app to create and save presets that you can apply to your photos consistently. This gives your feed a cohesive aesthetic. Consistency in the colors or color scheme of your photos help create a visually appealing and cohesive Instagram feed. Choose a color palette or theme that aligns with your brand or personal style and stick to it when shooting and editing your photos. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.